In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix if screen doesn't turn off when your iPhone is locked. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and now I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So now I'm gonna press Add Power button here and see what happened. The screen is still not turned off. It keeps showing me some information such as time, widgets here, and also it may show you some notifications and your wallpaper on the screen. If you don't want to use this feature is actually called always on display. You can easily turn it off. Just get into settings, scroll down a bit, tap at display and brightness, and that's where we can easily find always on display. Now I'm gonna get into it. Here we can configure it if you don't want to show wallpapers or notifications. Here you can turn these switchers off. However, if you just want to completely toggle off this feature, just deactivate it. Now if we lock our device, the screen completely turns off until we wake it up. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.